Afropolitan, my foot. I'm looking at these listeners. You know, we have the silliest listeners in the world. Afropolitan. We asked the questions, Kumba. Have you ever gotten suspended? We're looking at the ESCOM issue.
Yes.
The Facebook page is full of Afropolitans who got up to a lot of mischief. Listen to this one. It was at Catholic boarding school. We sneaked out to get some booze, not knowing that the Boli master has impimpi within our midst. We were caught, sent home to bring parents to school. Kadi babalas.
Catholic, alal.
Constance got suspended at high school for drinking alcohol. Delgado or something like that in the restrooms. Malato. I was suspended. School. All our listeners. And I'm not exaggerating. That's you guys listening to my voice right now. Yeah, including me.
I've never been suspended, eh?
You've never been suspended?
Never.
Really?
Never.
Neil Johnson, are you listening? There's an opportunity.
Today I'm working on that. Today.
All right. How you doing, my brother?
Grand, bro.
Thank you so much for being Mutswara Marapo.
For last week, that's nice. That's nice. People thought maybe now we are in a pet food after I spoke about your wedding.
You don't talk about feet. Yeah.
Then. Bravo. Then who put you up to say Dubai SAPC? Oh, bravo. That guy is my hero. That guy, there's sometimes you can tell that guy,
yeah.
Suburb.
Yeah.
Bamba Minkun's Gesutin. We've been marked. They're marking us. Oh, God, I'm not round like three. Papa, let you vet. I forget that jacket. Wear that jacket. Yes, good. Not the curtain, but no. In Pakistan or Runzan. I got my mess. I'm round like three. Look. What's wrong? I'm the telephone, Mama, because I'm calling spam. We've been marked. I got my mess. Slung, Sabab, we've been marked.
I heard that.
We've been marked. I'm calling election. Vimba! Election. Yeah, we've been marked. Yeah, sometimes the slung, bro, Bob said, too.
Yeah, true.
I'm telling you, Panjibal shield, but I didn't get cheap. That didn't get cheap. Now my headphone, the phone, we've been marked. And I want to say, because we have a vendor, don't brother said phone.
My God.
We have the audio, we have the video.
No.
Don't brother cell phone.
No, man.
And I'm going to full cell phone. We've been marked.
We've been marked.
Can't believe this. Really, guys, really? You're marking us? We're live on air. We've been marked. Bambambela Inkun's especially. I was like, but you have really a chance yet. First of all, there's no lights there. There's nothing.
Yeah.
So I want to do the shot here. Okay. Oh, you want to do it there? By the freeway. Oh, okay. I want to do this here. This is going to be viral. Bamba Mikun Zagaka, Lagati, out! We've been marked. Can't believe this. Really? After all I'm doing for the country, been marked?
I have to apologize on behalf of
You want me
the
to be the second voyeur now? Come on, really?
I have to apologize on behalf of our president for not giving you material this time, eh?
Hi! No.
You have no material whatsoever from a president this time around.
How much do you want to bet?
I'll bet Neil Johnson's salary.
Right, but we've been marked. I need time. When President Mpegi's cutting, it doesn't. I need time, Shem. We've been marked. What's the handkerchief? Been marked. My phone is still on. I'm calling it. It's ringing. And they're answering. They're like, no, Brian. The business and the SMS.
No.
He's calling his own phone. It's still on.
But this was in Pretoria.
Yeah, the same place. Oh,
okay. Oh, yeah, I heard that.
I've been marked. I'm a victim too, eh?
You're a victim.
I'm a victim. I'm going to put it somewhere I've been marked.
Braga Mopchi.
No George. Really? What happened? Who's emoji? What happened? No emoji will laugh at anything. So you've been marked. I've been marked.
Really?
Really?
Right.
Wow. What happened? What happened? You saw what happened, Mos. Yes, Mom Ronda drinking a put. Agati. Hey, Nathan. Here's the look scene. Hey. I'm too soon. What's wrong, guys? Talk to me. Banding goons. I don't come against spam video.
I didn't see a
I
gun.
didn't
There
see-
was no
I
gun.
see they pointed a gun at me, man, and they're like, I've been marked.
Because maybe you don't know. Maybe it was like
there was no gun
under-
commercial.
There was no gun. Those guys don't have a gun. Those
no
guys
gun.
were la bas bele contract in bas walking about how. Now umuntu olahlile. Asena igebeng lezitsotsi lezana. Asike igebeng so.
Yeah.
Asigebeng. Lezas ichina vaseline enye bothi suke yageza yaqeda how na 50 rand. And akana mahali bamthethele fe. Baphethe 70 rand SABC ayikhafi. He's been marked.
Did you go to concert, Skumba?
Concert yan.
Yeah, brand new heavies.
No, I was sick.
you went-
I was
Oh,
sick.
oh, okay.
Wait,
You were mugged.
Yeah, I was mugged. The flu mugged me, like right now. But yeah, when I ran a flu, did you see the parliament?
Yeah,
I'm
and I thought,
disappointed.
no, but Skumba's not getting any material.
No, but
here.
I'm disappointed with EFF.
Why?
They had one question, and Baba answered it. Kopeli scored. When are you paying back them? You were like, let me just say this. I am not gonna pay back them. And then, Kuluman, another question. Hey, bahlela bo Floyd abasazi bazombuza ngoba bane question iyi1 vele bona. uFloyd ngiyabona uthi itsonga. Amatsonga ayihlonipha ubheka uJulius. But Julius, nimbutisa yini wena? Sheshe uphendulile akayiphadali. I am not. And I confident and noma shuba abanye nombonile. Ihlathi zakhe zibova ngazi yini layigcobisayo or
Old, man. He's old.
yathi and then let me say this. I am not paying back the money. Lampazo EFF wakwata wathi but when I Sisi don't point your finger at me. I withdraw my finger. Let's withdraw. Yamthina makahleka I'm not paying. Me paying. EFF ina style man. For all my 9 months now, they have one question. When are you paying back the man? Babo phela one. I am not paying. Abasazi bazothini manje uJulius bathi Floyd usikantingela wena wabona muthi ha. Lembutisa yini manje? Bagcina bambuza imbuzo dom. So tell us how many times a day do you take a bath? Awubabuthi nikhuluma ngani? Abantu babuza imbuzo ebheda eParliament uthini baba uholomisa ngathi uUDM usala yi1
Yeah.
angimuzwa bekathini mara yena bekazizwa ubaba bekathi Holly what are you saying? Ubaba was confident. Ubaba
That was a nice
no
suit.
bekajimi ufake nesuit ne
Yeah.
and uzene made eyi1 akazange nabo bonke uzena 1 abanye salan ngiyoliwa namhlanje Wally uthini? I'm saying and the allegation that me investigated. No. They're not okay or what? No. No. Investigate who? Me? No. Udade was on fire. Udade was like a hip-hop star. Me? No. Pay back the money. I am not paying back the money. Huh? I have my house and my swimming pool. You wanna come for a shower? Come through. AFF bebekwatelene bona ukuthi manje simbuza nenye. Athi ayingazi. Mbuzo unamalini. Angeke siphendule.
So to was talking about this guy, Kosente. You never met this guy
I don't go to Santini.
at all.
Mina bravo ngikren ngamol.
No, I promise you, there is this guy who just walks around Kosente. He wears this double-breasted jacket, sometimes a coat over it. He's really tall, got a number 1.
Really thin.
Really
Famous
thin.
for that.
Yeah,
All he
just
does.
walks around.
Yeah, he just
City.
walks around. You can go any day, any time of day, go to Sandton City, you will see Mr. Sandton.
Akanandlu yena.
He's just there.
He just had a coat and double-breasted jackets.
Mhlawumbe bro. No bravo bezinyazama khumuza ukuthula ukuthi bravo ngamkore mara ngengithula.
Never. Uthulelani.
Yaqala ukugcoka i-jean to jean. 2015 ngasitsonga Bogart to Bogart. Wes ufake nesiqhethule siyi-1.
Guys,
Awuna take a picture bra Bob. Angazi kuseni bekenzani or uyajoga njengalo Mr. Santini or bra Bob uyathwasa nawe. Or Bob undini udlala ibhola nobo Steve Likoleya.
Sebuchangana.
Inyawo lakhe linyadumbili ngaka. Wena mangena nje usebenza ebakery ngibona inyawo lakhe lidungu nje uphethe isinko lo baba or. So uncle, usemsebenzini nginyawo li1.
here's Mr. Mbata. Good morning. Lucky.
Morning, how are you, Prapo?
So, you were suspended from school.
Yes, I was suspended for 2 days, Prapo.
What had you done?
To be honest with you, I was not actually wearing my blazer going to school. And by the time I reached the receptionist,
Yeah.
principal akaibetla kumrago. Hey, I'll tell you honestly, Hitler was nothing, mfana. Hitler was nothing.
What did he do? What was your punishment?
I had to count the bricks in school. Fella.
Damn. That's tough.
I'm telling you.
That is
You're
tough.
good in maths right now, ne?
Trust me, I was the worst.
That's bad. But what is bad is what you guys were talking about yesterday. Nithi nidla ama placenta. Sorry kancane, yazi bengihleli. No, ngithi nginento eshota. Placenta. And uwe ke.
Hayi akusi.
Ubani wethu uzodla placenta yakho.
Hayi akusi.
Uye lo.
I didn't say I was going to eat it.
Ufana novuyo khwele sabab ne. Ayikho ichara solution uzodla placenta.
Never.
Cabanga sangifana. Sorry, ngicela ngenzela ama placenta ayi2 ne. Bheka. Ama placenta ayi2 ya. Eyiwani mina ache eyiwani Funa plain. So zenzela thina.